Namaste guys. In this video we are going to learn how to make this wave animation in DaVinci. So let's start. So first thing that I'm going to do is right click, create new fusion composition. You can see it is 30 fps and 5 seconds duration. So click on new. I will bring it here. Select this. Go here in the fusion tab. Now first thing that I will do, I will add a background. Make sure that you doesn't select any node. So click on here, click on this and combine this. Select the background node, click on this uh, polygon, select this, click on the line tool and draw a straight line here. Now notice there is no width here, so uncheck the solid, increase the border width. Now you can see there is a line, so click on the background, click on here and change the color as per your requirement. In my case white is fine. Click on the polygon again and decrease its border width as per your requirement. Now select this background, press shift space and search for duplicate. Click on duplicate. Uh, okay, let's see here. Click on duplicate. Increase the number of copies. Increase the Y value. I think this much is fine. Or you can increase the Y value by, for example, try 20 and you can see the value is increased. Select this duplicate, press shift space, type waviness. Click on here, put it here, make it horizontal. You can increase or decrease the scale as per your requirement or strength. It's up to you. Okay, so I'm choosing, I think this one is fine, and it is automatically animated one, so you don't have to animate. But if you want to increase the speed, just increase this value. Again, it's up to you. If you don't want it to be animated, just uncheck the animate and you can see it is just constant, but I want animate, so here it is. Now what I want, now I want a text here. So what I can do, click on this text node and drag this here. Okay, not like this. Click on the merge node, click on text, click on here and click on here. Okay, check this. Click on text and type the text as per your requirement. Let's say I write wave because it's a wave, and select the text family as per your requirement. Increase the size and let's move it a little bit downwards. Now click on the merge, and before I do the merge, select the text, click on shading. Okay, this is fine. Merge. Instead of over, let's choose in. So if I go here and click on play, you can see it is animating. So, and you can also increase or decrease the distance as per your requirement. For example, you can see how it will look like if you increase or decrease the distance. It's up to you how you can make it. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.